Hello students, welcome in one another lecture of subject Public Health Engineering. In this lecture, we are going to start unit number 4 of Public Health Engineering. The unit number 4 it comes with the title Domestic Sewage and System of Sewerage, and this unit is comes for 18 marks. In last lecture, we had finished the unit number 3 of Public Health Engineering, and in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the new unit, that is the unit number 4. And what is the title of unit number 4? It is the Domestic Sewage and System of Sewerage. That is, in this unit, we are going to discuss the sewage or domestic sewage and the systems which is used for sewerage. Now see, the first point of this unit is the necessity of sanitation. What is the necessity of sanitation? From every town and cities, the different types of waste water originate from bath or bathrooms, kitchen, laboratory basins, house and streeting washing, various industrial processes, semi-liquid waste for human and animal extra, and dry refuse of house and sweeping daily produces a huge quantity. Sanitation is necessary because in every city or in every town there is a different types of waste water is generated in a large amount from the bathrooms or from the kitchens or from the laboratory basins or from the house and street washings or into the various industrial processes. The semi liquid waste or the human and animal excreta and dry refuse of house and sweeping daily produces in huge quantity. Hence, the sanitation is necessary. Then, if the sewage system is not implemented, it allows the sewage either to flow into nearby stream or river or dump into the near residential area. It is the also necessity of sanitation. What happens when there is a no sanitation? If the sewage system is not implemented in any area, then what happens? Then it allows the sewage either to flow into the near stream or near river, or it also dump into the near residential area. Then it will create the various environmental problems, that is the link stink, created harmful bacteria, increased BOD, creates environmental hazards. If the waste or the sewage is treated or not treated, or it can be dumped into the residential near residential areas, then it can be create the harmful bacteria and BOD of, also it create the environmental hazards. Then the next point is the what is the necessity to treat domestic sewage. What are the necessities to treat the domestic sewage? There is a various necessity of treat domestic sewage. In that, first there is a domestic sewage consists of human excreta as well as the waste water from kitchens, bathrooms, laboratories, etc., from public and private buildings. It is the necessity of treat domestic sewage. The domestic sewage is treated because it have the or it consists of human excreta as well as waste from kitchens as well as bathrooms, laboratories or from public and private buildings. Then if this domestic sewage is not treated, it may be produce foul effect or ill effect. If this domestic sewage from the public or private buildings is not treated, then it may produce the foul effects and ill effects. Hence, it is a necessity to treat domestic sewage as well as so as to avoid pollution and remove organic matter. Hence, it is necessary to treat this domestic sewage. For what? For avoid pollution and to remove the organic matter. To keep the healthy and pleasant environment, certain treatment should be given to sewage. For the healthy and pleasant environment, we are going to give the certain treatment to the sewage. It is the necessity of treat domestic sewage. See again, what is the necessity of treat domestic sewage? First, domestic sewage consists of human excreta as well as the wastewater from kitchens, bathrooms, laboratories, etc. from the public and private buildings. Then, if this domestic sewage is not treated, it may produce foul effect and ill effects. Then, hence, it is necessary to treat domestic sewage so as to avoid pollution and to remove organic matter. Then, to keep the healthy and pleasant environment, certain treatment should be given to the sewage. Then, the next point of this unit is the definitions of sewage and sewage. Now, see what is the definition of sewage. What is meant by sewage? The liquid waste generated by community and generally conveyed by a sewer is called as the sewage. The waste which is generated by the community, that is a waste which is generated in any society or in any area, and this waste is generally conveyed by the sewer, and this waste is known as a sewage. It consists of waste water from urinals, bathrooms, kitchens, etc. Then what is meant by sewage? The spent of water or waste water from kitchen, wash basin, bathrooms is termed as a sewage. Sewage म्हणजे काय? It is a waste water from the kitchen, basin, bathrooms. The organic matter is absent or negligible, so do not produce bad odor. It is only water. It does not have any organic matter. Hence, it do not produce the bad odor. Hope you all get the definitions of sewage and sewage. Then after that, the next point is the types of sewage. There is a four types of sewage. First is the domestic sewage, second is the industrial sewage, third is the sanitary sewage, fourth is the storm sewage, and fifth is the night soil. These are the types of sewage. These types of sewage we are going to discuss in next lecture. Now we just revise the part of today's lecture again. In today's lecture, we had start the unit number 4 of PHE, and unit number 4 is very important as a exam point of view. It has a 18 mark out of 100 mark. Then this unit is comes with the title domestic sewage and system of sewerage. Then we had discussed the necessity of sanitation. Why sanitation is required in any city or in any town is we have discussed. Then we have discussed the necessity to treat domestic sewage. We had also discussed the necessity or what is the necessity to treat the domestic sewage. Then we had discussed the definitions of sewage and sewage. Then next is the types of sewage. These types of sewage is we are going to discuss in next lecture. In today's lecture, we just go through the introduction of unit number 4. Hope you all get this introduction or unit number 4 and the necessity of sanitation, then the necessity to treat the sewage, then the definitions of sewage and sewage and the types of sewage. Then in detail we are going to explain types of sewage in next lecture. Hope you all get this part of today's lecture. Thank you.